So the first exercise of the day, we have medium grip barbell bench presses. Why? Because I want to target my chest and my triceps at the same time. And this is one of the exercises that target both muscle groups at once, right? So just like a regular bench press, just bring your grip in a bit more and press. That's it. Definitely warm up with the bar first, just so you get the movement down pat. Warm up. You don't have to do dynamic warm ups, but you definitely have to warm up with the exercise you pick for the day. And this is just me on my second warm up set. I go 10 reps with the bar and then I put 25s on each side, which will give me about 95 pounds. So 10 reps with the bar, then put 95 pounds on and do 5 reps. And then I put 135 pounds on and do 2 reps. And then I get into my working set. So I don't warm up for that long because one of the things people do, they warm up for too long, and once it's time to get to the actual working set or the exercise, they already burnt out from all the warm up sets they did previously.
That's the right word.
All right, let's get into the working set. So the working set, is just stopping 2 or 3 reps shy of failure, right? So if you plan to do 10 reps, for example, everybody goes to the gym and plans to do 10 reps. And you feel like you could get 30. If you pick a weight that you feel like you can get 30 reps with, and your goal was to do 10 reps, but you feel like you can get 30 reps with the weight you just picked, then that's not a working set. That's still a warm up set. If pick 10 reps as a goal when you went to the gym and you picked a weight that you could do about 15 reps, that's still not a working set. That's still a warm up set. You got to pick weights that are challenging enough for you, right, to stimulate growth and hypertrophy. Let's see. Then we moved on to some dumbbell incline bench presses. I'm just trying to target my upper pecs here, and since I already did warm ups with flat barbell bench press, then I don't really need to warm up here with the incline bench presses. And like I said, this is just to target my upper pecs. The first exercise was to target both my chest and my triceps. Like I said, working the best of both worlds. Right here, I'm trying to just isolate the pecs, the chest. Guys, I strongly recommend when you do any exercise, you go 2 on the way down and 1 up. So as you go down a bit slow. Don't exaggerate it. You don't have to do that long 2 seconds, right? But just control the movement on the way down. I see a lot of guys just collapsing when they're doing their squats or bench presses, right? Letting the weight control them instead of controlling the weight. And this is just my second set of incline bench presses. Guys, I only do 2 working sets because I feel like that's all I need. I do 2 or 3 warm up sets in the beginning, and then I do 2 working sets, and then I move on to the next exercise. And since I'm only working out 3 days a week, I have about 9 exercises I have to get done. So doing 3 sets of everything is kind of hard. Right, let's add the rest of the exercises.
With fitness type shit. Yo,
All right, guys. So now we have single arm bicep dumbbell overhead extension. And honestly, guys, I'd rather do this exercise with a cable, even though it did target my triceps. But I don't feel as stable with this movement. Again, anything that you try for the first time, you got to give yourself some time to learn the movement and practice the movement. But I just don't like this exercise right here. And it might come off my program, but I'll give it some time. The angles suck too. This angle sucks. You want to be my camera person? Is that while she's sleeping? Kind of hard having a baby. It is challenging, but we can get through it, right? Mental. All right. All right, guys. This exercise definitely sucked. It didn't suck. It didn't suck. It's just that when I started the exercise, it was just too heavy, and then it just made the whole exercise. So it was a learning moment, but I guess less weight. Totally right. Jerking off. But cable movements, I like to do anywhere between 10 to 20 reps. High reps here, just because when you do machine exercises, the exercise is stable, right? So it's stable enough for us to go for higher rep ranges, right? Instead of free weight exercises, the first exercise I was doing, which was barbell bench press, that I recommend you do only 5 to 10 reps, because when you start getting tired, you start feeling it in places you don't want to. Your shoulders, your elbows, right? You just want to focus on the tricep and the chest. And that's why I feel like free weight exercises you should be doing for lower reps. More stable exercises like cables, machines, go higher in reps. Okay, let's turn this off. Almost done. Explain it again. But anyways, here I did dumbbell rows. I added some back here. I know I said it was a chest and tricep vlog, but since I only work out 3 days a week, I make sure I do my most important exercises in the beginning, which is chest and triceps. I want to target those muscle groups first because I have the most energy when I walk in the gym, right? And then after I finish those 3 exercises, I do different muscle groups like back, legs, calves, or hamstrings, right? And in this case, I'm doing back. I'm doing some barbell dumbbell rows, and then I'll do some barbell squats also to end it. So yeah, this is not conventional, right? Right here, same thing applies. 2 seconds on the way down, 1 second up, right? You gotta feel the muscle. Don't just go through the motions. Okay, almost done, chat. Bear with me. Bear with me. Drop a comment if you're viewing. Drop a comment if you're viewing. Fuck yeah, I'm here. Drop a comment. Oh, we got three viewers on the chat. Somebody said take your shirt off again. Nobody said that. You don't even have your phone on you. Yes. I appreciate your enthusiasm is the word you're looking for. It's not enthusiasm. Your support. Cause you know I'm gonna take you to Gucci right when I get this check. You thought I want to go to Gucci. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go? Vacation. Vacation? What vacation? Your daughter's first birthday. Clip this chat. We going on vacation on my daughter's first birthday. All right, let me find the other videos. Like I said, chat, bear with me, guys. I got 600 videos on YouTube. 600. I don't have too many woman videos, but definitely for the guys, you could definitely get in shape with my videos. So what are you trying to say? Women can't do some of your exercises? No, it's because last time I was trying to put woman content up, I'm going to show you guys what happened when I try to put woman content up after I finish this. No, I was saying that day. Try to put some woman content up, glutes, abs, and the baby did not. I mean, she let us rock for the first 3 exercises, and then she got tired. Are you saying that women can't do the exercises that you do? Oh yes, you could do the exercises, but like I feel like women have to do like more shoulders and also more glutes, hamstrings. Even though men have to do more shoulders as well, but it's just different exercise. Thank you for explaining. Yeah. I didn't like how you said that at first, but your explanation made a lot more sense. Yeah.
Alright, where's the video I'm trying to look for? I think I had quads. This is shoulder exercise. Damn, chat. I wish I had that shoulder exercise. But I had took it down. Alright, so we just gonna go jumping straight to the squats. I did shoulders for my fifth exercise, and then after that I moved on to legs, but I can't find the video of me doing shoulders. But shoulders was up next originally. But we're gonna go straight into squats. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys my working set of barbell back squats. Of course, I warmed up here because I wasn't doing lower body. I was doing upper body majority the whole time. So definitely warm up. This is definitely not a warm up set for me. This is 225. I was able to get 315 pounds for about like 6 reps. I got the video to prove it if you think I'm lying, but I haven't squatted in so long. I just been trying to grow my upper body because I feel like when I first started working out, all I did was like legs. So I feel like my upper body has to catch up. Strong legs, little arms. Yeah, strong legs, little arms right now. Yeah, so same thing applies. 2 seconds on the way down. Hold at the bottom for like a half a second and then pop up. That sounded crazy. Alright. We'll show you guys the last exercise. Then I'm gonna go clean the bathroom because I'm a simp. And my wife makes $300,000 a year, and I'm just trying to please her, so I can keep making YouTube videos. And who we on? Me, you, and her. What? The wife that makes $300,000 a year. You are the wife that makes $300,000 a year. I accept. You accept? I accept. I accept that too. Alright, last exercise of the day. We got some hamstring curls, and I only did one set. Guys, that's why I always preach. And if you look at my past YouTube videos, I always say the same thing. Because there's nothing new when it comes to fitness. There's nothing. There'll probably be new trends, but it all is all the same at the end of the day. Consistency over time. Consistency over time. And prioritizing the muscle groups that you wanna get in shape. Like some women want their back fat to disappear, but they stay just working legs. Like, bro, you have to target your back too. You have to do some dumbbell rolls. You have to do some lat pull downs, right? So, like I said before going on this tangent, I did one set of lying hamstring curls, and I did it at the end. And right here, like I'm just ready to get out the gym at this point. It's my last exercise of the day. That's why I said if my goal was to grow my chest, right, which it is right now, and I started with hamstring curls first, that wouldn't make any sense. Or I would have started with like bicep curls first. That wouldn't make any sense because you got the most energy when you walk in the gym, right? Maybe. How about you? What you think, babe? When you got the most energy? Yeah, right before, like when I get there, right before I'm about to leave. So I know if I push hard. Guys, when you do any machine exercises, just and machine after another person used it because they told it just the machine together. They can't make sure it's smooth. Sure. That not feels uncomfortable, but the muscle that you're trying to like that's enough for the exercise. The chest, triceps. As you can see, chest, tricep, we prioritized chest and triceps, but we did. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys where you guys can find me. All right, guys. Let me put this on. This up here. All right, guys. So this is where you can find me right here. Mighty Strength. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have 602 videos, and some of them are on a playlist. And for the most part, it's organized. I haven't put anything on the playlist since last year though, but like I have a chest and back playlist. I have a back and bicep playlist. I have tips. I have nutrition tips on there also. So, if you guys want to check that out, just subscribe. And yeah, guys, this was fun today on Twitch. I hope I see you guys next time. You will. I'll be tuned in. Peace, peace, peace.